I'm sorry about the microphone quality. Yeah, my good one kind of got destroyed. But this is my rant on why is SD card used as the primary function of physical ownership in this day and age? Because lots of computers don't actually follow a CD or DVD drive. It is completely possible though to go to some store and buy it, but it was hard to find. But I found a store that sold it for stationary PCs. But that's my problem is if the companies think that DVD or Blu-ray on machines are obsolete and they take too much space and energy, then why not just replace it with SD cards? I think the highest capacity that the SD card can take now is 1 terabytes, and that should be enough for most of programs, games, or movies, or music for that matters. I mean, I haven't seen a game, a video game, or a program take up to 1 terabyte yet, at least. So what I don't get is why not use that? I mean, every computer, most computers at least, have SD cards on them. So why not utilize it on something that actually exists if space is a problem here? Why not just do it like that? I am okay with digital ownership as an alternative, but I don't really see why people in general wouldn't want physical ownership because you actually own it and it kind of lasts forever. And it's also this problem with updating a program or a game or something, and people kind of just want to feel like they actually own that version and they just kind of want to have it forever, you know? So that's what I don't get. I don't understand that. And that's just my rant, really. Thank you for listening, and bye.